So I decided to make my own pop-off pressure tester using an old little compressor thing from a car jump start kit thing. It was broken, so it already had the pressure gauge on it, and it already had a thing for filling tires. I literally just clipped the end off of that, strapped it to a battery, put a switch in line, and now I can just plug this end. Let's see if I can get this here. Hold the camera. Plug this end with my thumb, hit the button, as long as I actually get a seal here, it works. So maybe if I put a valve on here, I can't tell if it's leaking from this, which is quite possible. So what I may end up doing is putting a shutoff valve, like a 90-degree shutoff valve right here, so that I can measure the pressure and then hold it. Actually, I take it back. That would be over here, because this is what will be attached to the carburetor. So that's it. It's just a fancy little pump.